Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a holiday inspired look, both hair and makeup. I'll be using hair products from the Gold Series as well as the Royal Oils line, which are both available at Target. Alright guys, let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the Royal Oils Moisture Boost Shampoo. It's made with coconut oil and I love using it because it hydrates my hair and also helps clean my scalp to help give it long-lasting relief. So the one thing I always look for when trying a shampoo is the lather, and you guys can see that it has so much. I honestly didn't need that much of the product and it really got through all my hair and really helped with cleaning it. I also want to mention that this product is paraben free. It helps to remove any buildup while also smoothing and moisturizing your hair. Next, I moved on with the Moisture Renewal Conditioner, and just like the name says, it had so much moisture to it and slip. I was able to detangle with no problem and the smell was just amazing. A big thing for me is detangling while I still have conditioner in my hair, and the product worked well. It got my hair super smooth without any breakage. It's really important to try to avoid breakage, so work your way up. While still in the shower, I'm going to go ahead and apply the Deep Moisture Mask. It adds so many benefits to the hair and scalp by adding more moisture. As you guys can see, the product is super creamy and rich. After I finish applying the deep conditioner, I'm going to go ahead and rinse my body off, but leave the conditioner in so I can go ahead and apply my makeup. Alright guys, time for makeup. As you guys can see, I have a bare face. I'm going to go ahead and remove any fuzzies on my upper lip to have the makeup be applied evenly. Alright guys, on to eyebrows. I'm not sure if this is the case for a lot of people, but I tend to have a good shape, but what happens is I have spots where I don't have any hair. So it's very important for me to fill them out and to give them shape. For me, when it comes to leaving my house, I cannot leave without my eyebrows done. I just feel like it's the one thing I need to feel like a normal human being. Let me know down below if that's the case for you guys or what type of makeup is your go-to. Once I'm done giving my eyebrows a good shape, I like to use a concealer. It gives it kind of a more defined look and it cleans up any messes that I've made. Now that my eyebrows are done, I'm going to use the same concealer to conceal my under eyes. I went ahead and applied the concealer along my laugh lines just to seal in any creases. When you guys apply concealer, make sure you blend until there are no more harsh lines and it has fully absorbed into your skin.
Everything
Alright guys, as for makeup, I am done. I'm going to go ahead and rinse the deep conditioner out before starting to style it. And we are back. Now that the deep conditioner is out, I can go ahead and style and finish up this holiday inspired look. Alright guys, this look is going to be super simple to recreate. I'm going to go ahead and section the top part of my hair. I'll be creating a top knot on the top of my head, so I'm just playing with how much hair I want to use for that part. Once I get the exact amount, I'm going to go ahead and tie this part of my hair away so I can go ahead and style the bottom half. For the styling products, I'm using the Gold Series Hydrating Buttercream. It's infused with argan oil and it adds so much moisture to my hair and tames frizz. I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the bottom half of my hair and really get it saturated. Not only did it leave my hair feeling super hydrated, but it smelled so good and it also didn't feel like it was weighing my hair down. I'm going to go ahead and apply the same amount of product to the other half of my hair. After I finished applying the buttercream, I'm going to go ahead and apply the intense hydrating oil from Gold Series. Instantly, I could tell that the oils were being absorbed into my hair and that it was feeling super hydrated and moisturized. Although the top half of my hair will be put away, I'm going to go ahead and add some buttercream to it to add some hydration as well as to get that super sleek look. Now that I'm done styling my hair, I'm going to go ahead and finish off with diffusing it. This will add lots of volume as well as help with the drying time. Now that my hair is fully dry, I'm going to go back with the hydrating oil from the Gold Series. This will add some more shine to it and to seal in the curls. You guys can go ahead and spice up this holiday look however you want. I went ahead and used some pins that were super fun and creative to finish off the look. I had so much fun creating this hairstyle using products from the Gold Series line as well as Royal Oils, which are both available at Target stores. Alright guys, this is the final look of my holiday inspired hair and makeup. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video and please let me know if you guys go ahead and recreate this look and share it with me. Thanks so much for watching guys. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.